The purpose of this tutorial is to introduce you to the audit pricing model. For companies with many locations, comparative audits of internal processes, suppliers' checks, or legal requirements are becoming increasingly important. With our digital audit solution, any type of check can be executed and evaluated efficiently. The audit pricing model is package-based. The XXS to S audit packages are aimed at beginners. Each package contains a certain number of questions that can be used within a period of 12 months. If you realize during the term that the package you have booked is not sufficient, you have two options: a subsequent purchase within the selected main package or an upgrade to a larger quota of questions. The choice of package therefore determines how many audits can be performed during the next 12 months. For power auditors, we offer the M to XXL Plus packages, which also allow additional purchases and upgrades. By making a top-up purchase, you can adjust your requirements once without having to permanently switch to the next higher package. When upgrading, you only pay the difference to the extended question volume. Either way, the enlarged quota of available questions will be integrated into your existing main package without extending its duration. By the way, you do not have to pay the monthly base fee of €9.99 if you use our HACCP solution at the same time. To calculate your annual questions quota before purchasing a package, it is best to use our audit question calculator. No matter which package you choose, you can always create an unlimited number of roles, users, audit templates, locations to be audited, and for both internal and external audits. As an auditor, you can spread the benefits of a cost-effective audit package across all your clients without the need to purchase separate packages for each client. Your customers can access their individual outcomes online and resolve any shortcomings directly in their dashboard. If you would like to find out more about the full scope of our audit solution, simply send us an email.